Hi, it's Amanda the Nail Polish Hound, and the topic this Tuesday is our top 5 transforming top coats. So my first choice is Rebel from Sinful Colours Hypnotic Transforming Top Coat range, and this range was very popular fairly recently for use in fluid nail art. You're supposed to be able to use it over the top of other polishes as a top coat, but I find that it's very difficult to work with this way. So I did have a go to see if I can make it work, and then tried it one more time to see if I can make it work any better. But you can see it's not quite the finish that you would normally expect. So the way that I normally use this polish is by putting down one thick coat of another colour and adding this plus any other polish that you want to. You can see the cells starting to form this way, and then if you squish the polish together on the mat, you find that the cells form even more. My second choice is Sally Hansen's Hidden Treasure, and this is quite a hard to find and rare early rainbow flaky. Although quite a few manufacturers have made similar polishes since, I still have a soft spot for this one. First of all, I tried showing it over red. I wanted to be a little bit different. This polish is normally shown over dark colours or black, but to be honest it didn't really show it to its full potential, so I went ahead and showed it over black anyway. Next we have OPI's Super Base Shatter, and I had quite a few of the Shatter polishes, but this one was really my favourite. It's a little bit different because it has the finely milled shimmer in it, and I really like to wear this one over black. Over black it gives quite a subtle effect, but it doesn't really show up to its full potential until you add the top coat afterwards. My next choice is Loreal 820 Crystalissime. I think that's how you pronounce it, and I honestly don't even remember when or where I bought this polish. I've had it a long time, and I really love this one as a topper. It transforms any polish that you put it over and makes it look just that little bit more special. And last but very much not least, we have an original formulation of Fantasy Fire by Max Factor. This was dubbed as being a dupe for the famous Clarins 230 Unicorn P polish. I managed to hunt down a few of these little bottles before they themselves became rare and hard to find, and now they are very expensive as well. Max Factor has reformulated this so the later bottles have not got that same Unicorn P appearance. So here are all of my 5 top transforming top coats. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.